Hey guys, welcome to U-Wrench. Today we're back working on the Grand Caravan. This is the 2008 through 2020 model. Also applies to the Chrysler Town Country as well. And today we're going to be showing you how to do the cabin filter, aka the pollen filter change. Let's do it. So on the Grand Caravan and the Town & Country, the cabin filter is actually located in behind your lower glove box. So we've got to drop this down to gain access. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So to limit how far the glove box can open, Dodge have put this little bracket on. You can just see it on the inside there. And so what we need to do is just slide that back. When you look at this, you can see they've got a round section, that's the head of it, and then like an open section. So what you want to do is slide the whole thing back, and then that will allow it to pass through to the other side. So we'll just show you that now. And next up, if you look in the corners of the glove box, you can see it's designed to kind of flex. That's because it's got kind of two tabs. So what we're going to do is lift it back up a little bit, squeeze it in on both sides at the same time, and that should allow you enough space to lower it down. That's one side and that's the other. And once you're past, these are the little tabs. So you've got to bend that in enough so that these tabs can pass through and not catch on the top there. Bend that down, and then that allows the whole of the glove box just to fall down, and it's all hinged here. It's not going to fall off, so you can just leave it in that position. And here's the little feature that Dodge have put in on a piece of string. It just rolls backwards and forwards in this manner. It is spring loaded, so when you let go of it, it will snap away from you. Don't worry about that. When we come to refit that, all you do is you draw it forward and hold it in place and snap it back in. But that's basically how that section works. So just at the top here we have this little panel, this door, and on either side of it you've got these little ears. You push that in, same on the other side, that door will drop down out of the way. So there we can see the old filter. We've got quite a lot of debris and leaves and things, so we'll definitely have to give this one a bit of a vacuum before we refit the new filter. Just slide that slowly forward, and that's the old filter there. And this is the replacement cabin filter we have here, and usually you can see this one's marked airflow with some arrows. Obviously that indicates the direction of the airflow, and when you fit this back in, if yours has this, the arrows should be pointing downwards. Slide the new filter back into place like so. And next, take your little door and snap the two ears on either side. Make sure that they've definitely latched on, and that's good to go. So next we want to make sure that we can reattach our little cable here. So you push that all the way to the end, just hold that out to the side. I'm going to get that side up in, and at the same time push that in. That's secured there, and then all I've got to do is repeat the process on this side. Bend that corner up and in like so, and just make sure that this latch, that's it, is all the way to the back. Yes, when you pop this back in, you've got to make sure that you push it all the way back and it's kind of straight in relation to the kind of the pinched part, the hourglass part, if you like. It should be that straight edge there. And that's it, guys. That is your cabin filter replaced and good to go. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to hit the like button, and if you'd like to support us, please be sure to also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have lots of great content for the Grand Caravan. Be sure to check our channel out if this is the first of our videos that you've seen, and we're going to see you again in the future real soon. Thanks, guys.